Hello, this is Dr. Rojas. In this example, I will show you how to use the graphs command in SPSS to create a box plot comparing the distribution of two subsamples, in this case with the variables sex and age of respondents. To do it, you will click on Graphs, Chart Builder, and Boxplot. You'll select the third option and drag it to the window. Since we are comparing two variables of a sample, then you need to make sure that you are choosing two axes. The respondent sex is going to be located in the x-axis. You need to go to the variables box and find the variable sex. In the y-axis, we're going to locate the variable age of respondent. Go to the variable box and select age. You will drag the variable to the respective box corresponding with the y-axis. Please note that the chart builder has many options available. For example, you can add titles, subtitles, or footnotes. These are all options that you can edit. Under chart appearance, you can make different edits to include colors, or you can also, under element properties, make different selections, like, for example, sorting the variable by value, label, or a custom label. In this case, we're going to change the title of this box plot. So let's say that we want a custom title. Boxplot of age of respondent. That will be our selection. For the footnote, you can include, for example, the name of the dataset. Another option is to include in footnotes any other value that you think it is necessary. For example, any descriptive statistic showing the mean and standard deviation for males and females in this sample, irrespective of their respective ages. I'm going to leave it like this. Then you would click OK, and the output window will show you the finalized graph comparing in your sample males and females regarding their ages. This is a nice graph because you can get a sense of the distribution across sex for the variable age. This has been a short video tutorial on how to compare the distributions of two samples using a Boxplot.